Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a great time from everyone at Essential. And don't get roasted and don't eat too much, because otherwise you might look like this. See you on the other side. Eddie's going to go, what the actual? Sorry, I'm not very good.
You'll be able to see my nipples through that. You're joking. You'll be able to see my nipples through that.
That's really good.
Right, come on. You'll be able to see my nipples through that.
So I went outside.
While the light suddenly moved.
It's a clown.
That's awesome.
Oh, come on.
I tripped over the thing.
And number 3 was...
Was there anything usable there?
No.
No.